To make a grass head, you need to put about 2 spoons worth of grass seeds at the bottom of your stocking. After that, add dirt on top. You need to keep adding dirt until you make a big, hard lump of dirt about the size of a tennis ball. Make sure it's packed in tightly so that it's really hard and not flopping about with air in there. Then tie a knot tightly to hold it all in together. To make the nose, pinch up some of the stocking and the dirt and then tie a rubber band around it to make the nose. Next, it's time to decorate your grass head. You can use googly eyes if you have them, or use other materials that you have to make a face. To grow, plants need 2 things, water and sunlight. So once you get home, place your grass head in a jar or a cup and put some water in so that the water is touching the bottom of the stocking. The water will then travel up the stocking, giving moisture to the seeds. Place the grass head in the jar somewhere inside sunny, like a windowsill. With that water and the sunlight, the grass will grow, and you can even give it a haircut when it does.